Juan, there has been an increase in positive coronavirus cases, an increase in hospitalization, but the good news, there's also an increase in resources. Governor Gavin Newsom is sounding the alarm about the increase in COVID cases in California. In recent weeks, statewide, there has been a 44% increase in hospitalizations and a 34% increase in ICU patients. Just today, there were 11,694 new cases, one of the largest single-day reports, partly due to a backlog.
It's not just the young invincibles. It's not just those that are increasingly mixing outside of households and those that are not practicing physical distancing as they should, wearing masks as they must, but we're also seeing our essential workforce.
While there is concern about whether or not we are able to handle the surge in numbers, the governor says we are. That includes beds, PPE, and medical staff. In LA County, the numbers are just as alarming. In fact, 1 out of 140 residents are infected with COVID. 2 weeks ago, that number was 1 out of 400 residents. Dr. Barbara Ferrer with the LA County Public Health Department.
We're entering a phase in which we're seeing community spread and hospitalizations like we saw in late April, and what we hoped would be the height of infection here in LA County.
Of the 1.2 million tests, 9% of them came back as positive for COVID-19.
At the beginning of June, we were averaging 1,300 cases a day, and now we're averaging 2,400 new cases a day.
While LA County beaches were closed over the holiday weekend, they are back open. This tower cam shows people flocking to Santa Monica Beach. There are, however, still closures in effect. They include in-restaurant dining and bars that don't serve food.
Inspectors visited 1,101 restaurants between July 3rd and July 5th, and they found that 99% of restaurants were complying with our order to only provide outdoor dining, takeout, or delivery.
And as for testing, LA County is booked through the rest of the week, and they're rushing to get 8 more sites to open. But health officials want people to know, in order to get tested, you must have symptoms, work or live in a congregate setting, or have been exposed to someone who is positive. Juan, we'll send it back to you.
All right.